Nandito tayo sa Marang-Marang and nasa floating cottage kami. It's literally floating. Like floating. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cottages. And then may mga ganito so that you can swim here. Kung ayaw nyo dun, kung takot kayo, kung gusto nyo humawak lang sa gilid. Yeah. And then here, you have like an outside patio where you can relax. If like you're working and then nag-vacation kayo, dito yung spot mo. Top. Working. VK mode pero still working. So excited to jump, but we'll get to that point. Dala pa ba ng sleepers? Huh? Paano? Ganyan? Paano doon? Ganyan. So mga biyaheros? That's a nice angle for you guys to watch. Ang hirap naman ito. It's not something to be scared of kasi the water is very calm. So dyan muna kayo at i-enjoy mo lang. Sige! That was so fun, guys. You have to try kayak dito sa Marang-Marang. Iba yung thrill, iba yung adventure. Di ba, sir? Yeah. I'm with City Tourism crew. We're doing a promotional video for the month of September. Yes! So next thing, tatanong daw ako dun. Going to reapply sunscreen because I don't wanna get dirty. Actually, meron pa kaming shoot after this one. Sa isang beach. Then tomorrow, we will also continue our shoot. Hindi pa namin na-shoot kanina. But, yeah. May insurance ba to, sir? Oo. So ayun guys, kakain na kami since medyo tapos na rin kami sa mga trips na kukunin namin dito. So ayan. Thank you po! Thank you, sir! So we're done here sa Marang-Marang, guys, and as you can see talaga. So super nag-enjoy and maraming salamat sa Marang-Marang Women's Association. Thank you for having us. Yeah, so pupunta kami ng Pahali next para i-shoot pa ang next clip na. I super recommend the Marang-Marang experience, guys, for you to try. So ayan guys, on to our next destination, which is Pahali Resort. Yes guys, and dito naman tayo ngayon sa Pahali White Beach Resort. Medyo natagalan kami sa may Marang-Marang. So, yeah. Actually guys, yung word na Pahali in Yakan, it means to rest or magpahinga. So basically, yung Pahali Resort, ibig sabihin, kung saan ka nagpapahinga. So, sa word, sa name pa lang ng resort talagang makakapagpahinga ka dahil Pahali means to rest. Sarap guys, sobrang fun, ang saya, sobrang saya. And yeah, sobrang ganda rin ng sunset talaga dito sa Isabela de Basilan. Alam nyo, nanggaling na ako sa iba't ibang places, pero yung sunset dito sa Isabela de Basilan talagang ibang-iba. So take it from me, take it from me. So Yeah, ano pang inaantay nyo? Hello, Isabela de Basilan. Dito kami, open na kami for tourists. Kaya bisitahin nyo na kami. Tara, dito tayo. Pagod na ako. Alam nyo, kanina nagkasugat ako. Yan. Nagsugat ako actually. Dahil sa swimming. Pero ganun talaga. Part of my job.
Lingkat to.